So in this lesson, guys, we're going to be looking how to use a belt as an improvised weapon. Against a larger attacker, you got to fight dirty. Anything goes. So this is how you use the belt. The first thing is, hands over here. Wrap it around once, twice. Grip it. You're using the buckle, right, as a weapon, okay, to keep the person back. Now, in order for me to use the belt, I got to create enough distance between me and my attacker to pull it out. If I'm over here, he's not going to let me pull out the belt. He's going to attack me, right? I need to have enough distance or know that shit's going to hit the fan before I pull out the belt. If I want to conceal the belt, because I'm going to use it, I'm going to do it this way. If I'm talking to him here, and boom, I'll strike him from here. The way to use the belt is this way. So I'm doing this, right? My other hand is here, and I'm using the buckle. Closest weapon, closest target, boom, I'll hit the hand, right? I'm still gonna use my legs. I'm still gonna use the other hand. I'll bring the weapon hand here to protect here. Now if I switch, I can come over here, but I need to know, right now I have a clear shot to his face because I will go boom. Now if he ever grabs it, so let's say I did this, boom, he grabbed it, now it's a fight, right? If he pulls the belt, boom, I'm gonna have to strike. What I don't want to do is he pulls the belt this way, I pull the belt that way. At that point, I'm going to have two options. I'm either going to have to release the belt and just run, or if he starts pulling the belt towards me, I'm going to have to strike as he's pulling me in against the belt. But rule of thumb is, you want to do it this way. If he was holding a knife, I'd be trying to hit the weapon hand. Boom. Boom. Again, I'm still going to use my low line kicks to distract him, and if I could hit high and low, I'm going to use the belt buckle to smash whatever I could. So again, these are just tools. They're tools sometimes that might demotivate him to continue his attack. They're tools that could create distance and space. They're tools for you to be able to just, distract him, buy you seconds if you need to escape, right? It might not end the fight, it might end the fight, but it's definitely going to keep him back from charging in. And if he does and he grabs the belt, let the belt go and run. Hope you run faster than him and you have the space. Or if he pulls, you use the belt and you strike. The important thing is, don't get emotionally attached to the belt, and don't forget about all the other weapons you can still use, which are your legs, your palm strikes, and that this weapon is just an extension of your arm, and don't depend on it to be the sole thing that's going to make you win the fight. So I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. I want to thank you for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.